Oh gosh. Hey Mom, today was just like crap. Oh, hello, Jacob. Is my baby tired?
Yes!
Well, I know what can make you from being bored. Homework! Are you kidding me? Homework? Mother, that's not what the deal is. The deal is that we should play like Monopoly or Trouble or Candyland. You know what? Never mind. Never mind. That's what I thought. Now go ahead and do your homework.
10 seconds later.
Okay, time to do some boring, stupid homework. Okay. I'm tired of calling this book bag stupid because it's worth cheap. Shoot, I have to run and get a pencil. Okay, I just got myself a pencil. I'm gonna name him. Okay, Pastor, are you ready for some boring homework?
Oh yes, I'm ready.
Alright, let's go. Homework section. Write down the perimeters and areas. Area of a triangle. A equals 1.
A lot of boring math later.
Finally, I am flipping done. Okay. Time to put you back. And Pest, you did a really good job. I'll never forget you. Okay. Nah, I'd rather put it on the pencil case later. Okay, time to zip up the boring math. No spelling needed. I already did a test. Okay, goodbye. Now, I'm going to tell Mom. Oh, hello, Mother. I'm just done with my boring homework, so I'm going to put it up right now. Oh, is that so? Good for you. Well, you said you want to go ahead and play Monopoly. Do you want to play Monopoly?
See!
All right. Let's go ahead and play Monopoly. I'm going to get Monopoly. You go sit down. Okay, Jacob, I got Monopoly. Who wants to play?
Oh, me.
All right. Like I told you, go sit down. Sing while you do your chores, forget that your back is on the family. Love needs your strength, your toilet. Okay, so mommy's Bo Peep. Okay, you can get off the dice, dang it. Till then, the alien is mine. From the pizza planet. Around the world, around the world. Okay, I'm just gonna take one try. So, because I should have ate Lucky Charms, so I hope I get that good Lucky Charm. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait. Yes! I know my Spanish very well. Since my mother's not around, I'm gonna do it one more time.
Jacob, what are you doing?
Mom, it's not what it looks like.
I dare you to roll the dice.
Tres, cuánto? 180. Dang it, I used it wrong. Never mind. So, do you want to take a seat, or I'll take another turn?
You can sit down and do your delivery, whatever.
Alright, Mom, I'm going to take some deliveries. So good luck with my alien and Bo Peep. Yeah, whatever. Go ahead and do your job. Good luck with your delivery with Gigi. Okay, you're out here. Oops. Okay. Let's play. Oh, I hope I get lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pizza Planet. Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Display case. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The Tri-County Land. What the heck does it say? Landfill. One more. Or I'm just gonna play it for like how long I need to get more money.
346 minutes later.
Now let's go to, so it says 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I win! I take all of the money! Woohoo! I'm rich! I'm rich! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I'm rich! I'm rich! And Jacob's gonna be so mad! Wow, I have like $1 billion. I'm going to spend a fortune on it to get a new Karomi shirt from Japan, LA. Very funny. Honey, I'm home. Gigi, what the heck are you doing with Jacob's Monopoly set? That's the 100th time you play Monopoly without Jacob. Oh, hello there, Simon. Why are you here? I thought you were supposed to be getting milk for 24 hours. Are you nuts? I went golfing! I didn't go to the store to get 100 gallons of chocolate milk. Now, please get out of the house. You've really gone too far. Oh, whatever. You're being so silly. Why are you so silly all the time? You know what? Just get out here and take my money. Oh, that's a lot of money. Can I have it? Yeah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Simon is so spoiled. I bet he was born spoiled. Spoiled crap. Why even bother? I'm so sick and tired of doing my stuff anyway. I get so sick and tired of Simon acting like a pest. What a pest! I wish he was extinct, gone, vanished. Gosh, that's why he's not around anymore, because he thinks that life is money. Man, this is stupid. Really stupid. I don't trust stupid mutts. I hope one day he'll learn his lesson. Jeez, where on earth is this?
5 minutes later.
Hey Mom, where's Dad? And why did you cheat on Monopoly? Because I just got a notification from my father that you cheated. And you, like, got all over the money. Where is he? Tell me. Well, you see, you went to buy milk again. Again? This always happens. Good luck living on your own, Mama.